Yeah.
Um, I was wondering how is your new app doing right now? You started building your new app.
Yeah, yes, I started to build that. I started to build subscription tracker. So my new application, I basically built it because I agreed with two of my friends that we will do like developers challenge. Let's build a new application and get it fast to the $100. Otherwise, I will not build new application, so that's my reason why I'm building it. Otherwise, I will basically focus on my existing applications and double down on marketing, features, and so on. But yeah, I started that application, and that is just a subscription tracker because solving my own problem, I just realized that I have no idea how much money I'm paying for subscriptions, which I'm using, which I'm paying but not using, and so on. So I basically have probably MVP already done. I was working on weekend on this application. I used Screen Design's AI to generate user interface that was surprisingly good, to be honest. First time when I see really kind of usable AI generated design. And no, basically I need to, I think today or tomorrow I will do like final kind of push to fix some design kind of imperfections, let's say, so not even kind of bugs, but somewhere kind of screen looks a little bit weird, somewhere scroll too far away and so on, like some small things. I will test with few more different invoices because what I'm trying to do, I don't want to add all the data manually because I'm lazy,
Yeah,
and why
yeah.
should we do if we have robots for that? I just want to parse whatever is possible to parse from emails that you're getting new subscription and add this data kind of semi-automatically, let's say, so not like silently somehow scanning email, but when you share email to the application should at least do the best to try to read this information for whatever we are throwing. Is it PDF? Is it just email body, copy, paste, something? And
Yeah.
yeah, I just want to test with different multiple subscription emails, PDFs, and so on. Few that I tried and trained my app kind of working. So I think test flight release definitely is this week, yes.
Awesome. Do you use like Apple's like OCR for the
Yes,
PDF?
yes. OCR, but
Okay.
I have to say that I so far I didn't write a single line of code in this application.
Okay.
That's just basically YOLO
Yeah,
AI
yeah.
kind of agent-driven application. And in the middle of the app, I actually switched from the Codex to Gemini in Anthropic, and also just because I was told so on the live stream. That was kind of, I don't know, part of the show, part of the fun, doing live stream. And then I was told, okay, Gemini actually is very good. And I said, really? Is it? Let's give it a try.
Is it?
And I don't know, well, I have to say that, I get this application more or less kind of working on that live stream, and I didn't look into details of the code in this application. I think I will do that tomorrow on this kind of indie hackers session, just to go through the application, look how it is, and so on. Because currently, I can tell you, yes, it solves problems that I'm kind of saying to solve, but how is it really better than Codex? I don't know yet. So I can't kind of say, but it's not bad. It's not worse than, let's say so. It's not worse than Cloud. That's for sure.
Okay.